Welcome to the ultimate guide to high-tech kitchen appliances. In this video, we'll explore the innovative world of smart kitchen technology, showcasing essential devices designed to transform your cooking experience. From smart refrigerators that help you manage your groceries to cutting-edge coffee makers that brew at the touch of a button, we'll cover it all. Get ready to discover how these high-tech appliances can enhance your culinary skills, streamline your kitchen tasks, and even improve safety in your home. Let's dive in and revolutionize the way you cook and live. 1. Smart refrigerator. Smart refrigerators are at the forefront of kitchen technology. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, these appliances allow you to monitor and manage your food inventory remotely. Many models feature touch screens that display recipes, meal planning tools, and even grocery lists. Some smart refrigerators can track expiration dates and send alerts when food is about to spoil. Additionally, they often come with built-in cameras that let you see the contents of your fridge from your smartphone, making grocery shopping a breeze. Imagine being at the grocery store and checking if you need more milk right from your phone. 2. Smart ovens and ranges. Smart ovens and ranges are designed to simplify cooking. With features like remote control via smartphone apps, you can preheat your oven or adjust cooking times from anywhere. Many smart ovens come with built-in sensors that ensure your food is cooked to perfection by automatically adjusting temperature and cooking time. Some models even offer guided cooking options, providing step-by-step instructions for various recipes. This technology not only saves time but also reduces the chances of overcooking or undercooking your meals. It's like having a cooking assistant right in your kitchen. 3. High-tech dishwashers. Gone are the days of hand-washing dishes. High-tech dishwashers now come equipped with smart features that enhance their efficiency. Many models can be controlled via smartphone apps, allowing you to start or stop cycles remotely. They often include sensors that detect the level of dirtiness on dishes, adjusting the wash cycle accordingly. Some dishwashers even have built-in water softeners to prevent mineral buildup, ensuring your dishes come out sparkling clean every time. Think of it as having a personal dishwashing service at your disposal. 4. Smart coffee makers. For coffee lovers, smart coffee makers are a game changer. These appliances can be programmed to brew coffee at specific times, ensuring you wake up to the aroma of fresh coffee. Many smart coffee makers can be controlled via smartphone apps, allowing you to start brewing from your bed or even schedule brewing for when you arrive home. Some models offer customizable brew strengths and temperatures, catering to individual preferences. With features like built-in grinders and milk frothers, these coffee makers elevate your morning routine. It's like having a barista in your kitchen every morning. 5. Smart kitchen scale. Smart kitchen scales are essential for precise cooking and baking. These devices connect to your smartphone or tablet, providing real-time feedback on measurements. Many smart scales come with built-in recipe databases, allowing you to weigh ingredients directly as you follow a recipe. This eliminates the need for multiple measuring cups and ensures accuracy in your cooking. Some models even offer nutritional information, helping you keep track of your dietary intake. It's like having a dietitian and a sous chef rolled into one handy device. 6. Smart kitchen faucet. Smart kitchen faucets bring convenience to meal prep and cleanup. With touchless technology, you can activate the faucet with a simple wave of your hand, making it easier to wash your hands or rinse ingredients without touching the faucet. Some smart faucets come with voice control capabilities, allowing you to ask for specific water temperatures or amounts. This technology not only enhances hygiene but also conserves water by preventing unnecessary usage. Imagine never having to touch the faucet with messy hands again. 7. Smart blenders and food processors. Smart blenders and food processors are perfect for those who love to experiment in the kitchen. Many models feature pre-programmed settings for smoothies, soups, and sauces, ensuring consistent results every time. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can access recipes and cooking tips directly from the appliance. Some smart blenders even have built-in sensors that adjust blending times based on the ingredients used, making it easier to achieve the perfect texture. It's like having a culinary expert guiding your every blend and chop. 8. Smart toasters. Smart toasters may seem like a small addition to your kitchen, but they offer significant advantages. Many smart toasters come with customizable settings that allow you to choose the exact level of browning for your bread. With features like smartphone connectivity, you can control your toaster remotely, ensuring your toast is ready when you are. Some models even include built-in timers and alerts, so you never have to worry about burnt toast again. It's like having a personal toast concierge at your service. 9. Smart slow cookers and multi-cookers. Smart slow cookers and multi-cookers are versatile appliances that can simplify meal preparation. These devices can be programmed to cook meals over an extended period, allowing you to set it and forget it. Many smart models come with smartphone apps that let you adjust cooking times and temperatures remotely. Some multi-cookers even offer pressure cooking, sautéing, and steaming functions, making them a one-stop solution for various cooking needs. It's like having a multi-talented chef handling all your cooking tasks. 10. Smart smoke detectors and fire safety appliances. Safety is paramount in any kitchen, and smart smoke detectors and fire safety appliances enhance your protection. These devices can send alerts to your smartphone if smoke or carbon monoxide is detected, allowing you to take action immediately. Some models are interconnected, meaning if one detects smoke, all alarms in the house will sound. This technology provides peace of mind, ensuring your kitchen remains a safe space for cooking and entertaining. It's like having a vigilant guard watching over your kitchen at all times. High-tech kitchen appliances are revolutionizing the way we cook and manage our kitchens. From smart refrigerators to advanced safety devices, these innovations enhance efficiency, convenience, and safety. Embracing these technologies can transform your culinary experience, making cooking more enjoyable and less stressful. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a novice cook, investing in high-tech kitchen appliances can elevate your kitchen game to new heights.